Welcome, in front of me is a UMIDIGI X, and today I'll show you how to put this device into boot mode. And to get started, hold power key and then select power off. Now once the device is powered down, you want to hold power key and volume up, so both of those keys at the same time, and this will boot us into boot mode. There we go. So once you have access boot mode, as you can see, you have only 3 options right here. So you have recovery mode, fast boot mode, and normal boot, which will take us back to Android. And you select each one of them using only volume up. And then once you have selected the one that you want, all you need to do is press volume down to confirm it. Now I'm gonna select normal boot, so I will basically exit this mode and go back to Android. But you can select either recovery mode as well, or fast boot mode if you wanted to. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.